In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all liked videos on YouTube at once on an iPhone or on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up YouTube app. After that, tap right here at You. Then tap at that gear to move on to the settings, and on settings you can easily find manage all history. Just tap on it. You will be taken to your Google account history. After maybe 5 to 10 seconds, we need to wait until it is loaded, and then once it is done, tap at interactions, where at the very top you can easily find video likes and dislikes. Then you will be taken to the page where you can easily find all the videos you have ever liked on YouTube. If you now just want to delete some particular like from a certain video, all you have to do is just search for that video and then hit at this cross, just like that. That's how we can remove a particular like. However, if you liked several videos a day, all the liked videos within a day will be grouped, and you can easily find these groups here. For the April 19, I got just one like here. For 27th of November, I got 2 likes, and I can remove both of them at once by tapping right here at that icon. The same about any day, and if you wanna delete all liked videos at once, you can easily do so by tapping at this axis. Just like that, just hit at them one by one until you delete all the videos you would like to delete from here, from YouTube history. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.